Change your life. Watch this video regarding making money online tips and tricks. Are you unemployed or just having trouble making ends meet? Then you have come to the right video to help you. In fact, this video won't just help you, but allow you to think positively about your online earning future. After all, you don't need to be employed by a corporation to pay your bills. You can make money online by playing games. Farm Gold is a great site that you can log into and play fun games during the course of the day in your spare time. There are many games that you can choose from to make this a profitable and fun experience. Sell some of the junk that you have around the house on eBay. You do not have to pay to set up an account and can list your product any way that you want. There are many different training sites that you can use to get started the right way on eBay. Provide services to people on Fiverr. This is a site that allows people to get anything that they want, from media design to promotions, for a flat rate of $5. There is a $1 charge for each service that you sell, but if you do a high quantity, the profit can add up. Beware sites where you have to make a bid to complete someone's work. These sites devalue you based on the fact that the lowest bid most frequently wins. There will be some people hiring on these sites who are decent, of course, but the bulk just want their work done cheaply. Most people overlook online earning opportunities due to the simple fact that they don't even know that it exists. Many are missing out on the perfect way to supplement their incomes or to buy extra things just because they aren't open to new methods of earning money. However, you are off to a good start because this video has given you sound advice to get started. Student loan.